Hey guys, it's Rob. Thanks for tuning in. This is Dr.M studio. And by special request, my wife is looking to get a tree chopped down here to get some more sunlight onto the driveway. So it's, 29th of December today. I'm going to fire up the excavator. It's about 35 degrees out. We're going to cut this tree down, but I need the excavator to make sure it doesn't fall on the power line, that kind of stuff. I want to make sure it goes in the right spot. So just some extra added insurance, I think, is what I'm going to call it. So, all right, stay tuned.
What's your name? Hey, hey, what's your name? I hope that you would like to dance with me tonight. My heart tells me it's right. What's your name? Yeah. Well, you were standing there with your long blonde hair, looking better than I've ever seen. I do declare that life ain't fair. What's a girl like you gonna do with me? If I put just right into your line of sight, maybe then you could notice me.
I'm going to pull it down with the cable. Power pole and power line. I just want to be extra careful, so. All right, I'll go get a cable with chain. See if I can find a spot to put this ladder up.
Tells me it's right. What's your name? I hope that you would like to dance with me tonight. My heart tells me it's right. What's your name? Yeah. Hey, what's your name? Well, I was scared, then I dared. I walked right up to you. We heard the band, took my hand, and then we began to groove. Well, we danced all night, and you held me tight, and tonight it was meant to be.
Get a tree down, just use your left hand going to the right. Okay. All right. Did a pretty good job, don't you? Way to go, Mary.
Well, you were standing there with your long blonde hair, looking better than I've ever seen. I do declare that life ain't fair. What's a girl like you gonna do with me? If I put just right into your line of sight, maybe then you would know it was me. I got back out, a chance of love, and see if it was meant to be. Hey, what's your name? Hey, hey, what's your name? I hope that you would like to dance with me tonight. My heart tells me it's right. What's your name? I hope that you would like to dance with me tonight. My heart tells me it's right. What's your name? Yeah. heard the band, took my hand, and then we began to groove. Well, we danced all night and you held me tight, and tonight it was meant to be. Can I drive you home? Call you on the phone. Would you go out with me? Hey, hey, what's your name? Hey, hey, what's your name? I'll show you the stars at night. The moon shines oh so bright. I hope that you just might go my way. I'll show you the stars at night. The moon shines oh so bright. I hope that you just might go my way. I'll show you the stars at night. The moon shines oh so bright. I hope that you just might go my way.
All right, well, that's cutting the tree down. Thanks for tuning in. This is Rob from Dr.M Studio. The excavator came in real handy, kept the power pole safe, and I think my wife Mary did a good job running the excavator, pulling that tree down. So, all right, until next time.